Hello trade boosters, this is a very simple super trend strategy for you guys to follow. I love it. It is simple, beginner friendly, and this is exactly how it works. There's two steps to this. There's two simple rules to this trading strategy. Number one, wait for price to be oversold, overbought, or wait for price to be oversold as such. Step two, wait for a sell signal as such. After your price is overbought, you want to wait for a sell signal from your indicator right here. That was a nice trade. And when price is oversold, you wanna trade. You wanna wait for a buy signal, but I will not take this signal because we have a downtrend. And now one thing you should notice is always trade with the trend. So if you know the price is going down, avoid taking buy trades. If the price is going up, avoid taking selling opportunities. So we can see we have another overbought situation right here, and we eventually have another sell opportunity. That was a good sell to take. As you can see, it was eventually a win. Now, how do we take buys? So this is an example of a buy. Price was oversold. Oversold right here. Price was oversold right here. In a second. Yeah, price was oversold. And I probably would not have taken this buy because trend is still going down, and we would not have known if this was going to be an uptrend. So let's keep going. But I would take a sell trade, of course. This is another sell trade. Price has been oversold for some time, and we eventually get a sell signal. And the great part is our super trend strategy does not repaint. All right, it does not repaint. So as you can see, that was a nice trade. Try it out for yourselves, and yeah, hope it works out, and I'll see you in the next video.